At UOIT in the Faculty of Education, we value experience, specifically in education and technology. And so we consider non-standard applications. That might be a type 2 application where you've been out of university for at least 4 years, but you don't meet the minimum GPA, which is a B, in the last 2 years of study. And you have at least 4 years of relevant professional experience, typically in education or technology. The other type of application could be what we call a type 3, which means you have 10 or more years of extensive and relevant experience in education and technology, but you have an academic credential other than an undergraduate degree. So you might have a diploma. This was typical of college professors, for example, 20 years ago. And so we consider those application as well. What you need to do with this application is include a detailed CV or resume so we can understand your professional experience. You need to carefully read the statement of intent suggestions in our application document very, very carefully. And you'll need to make a strong case for your education and technology experience. You also want to make sure that your statement of intent is extremely well written. Get someone to edit it, make sure it looks good, that there are clear paragraphs, and that it really reads well. We have to go off these impressions, so it's important. And then, of course, make sure that your references are really, really solid. High quality references are critical. Now, there are possible outcomes of this assessment. And for example, if you're a type 2 applicant, you have a strong statement of intent, really good technology and educational experiences, and your references are very good, you could be accepted directly into the MEd program. It is also possible that your application, if it was a weaker application, a type 2 application, or if it was a type 3 application, that we could ask you to start in the diploma program. In that program, you can take Masters of Education courses to try us out, and we can get a sense of whether you fit with our program. After successfully completing 2 courses with a B plus to an A minus average, you can apply for the MEd program and get credit for the courses you have already completed. So please consider this when you're applying as a non-standard applicant.